how to stay on track with your home business. There is never anything easy about starting a home business. So many people are there to try to knock it down and get you disillusioned, but it has and can be done with effort and work. One has to know what they want and never let it waver. Know what you are getting yourself into from the start, and don't think success is overnight. In this video, we'll discuss some keys to staying on track and getting into a successful position. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. Here are some keys to staying on track while working from home. Key 1. Obtain personal focus. You should focus on what your passion is and tap into that energy. Define your passion, drive, goal, and purpose for wanting to be in this business. This passion is the underlying emotional foundation to your business. Having an internal drive tells you what your main objective is for yourself and what it will do for your life. The external drive tells you what your business does to benefit others around you. It is highly likely that someone has already started a business like yours. It is your passion and drive that makes the biggest difference. Everyone's goals are different. By knowing your true focus, you will inspire others into joining your business with you. Key 2. Create a product impact message. Most people think to themselves when they see a product, what will this do for me? This question is answered in only a few seconds, so there is no time to waste. Your impact message should immediately tell people how valuable your product is and make them want it. Creating this power message is quite easy and doesn't take long. Make sure that it clarifies your purpose and stays focused on your product. Use this statement on all your business ventures. Put it on all your business cards, websites, and any other place you can think of. The more people who hear about it and see your business, the more aware people will be about you and your products. Key 3. Do what works best for you. You don't need to spend tons of money to figure out what method works best. Go and research what others in your business field have used to succeed, and see if this can apply to you as well. Check out what others have written in their articles and make your content better. Make sure that you are current with all your research and updated regularly. Use the free tools out there to first gain more business experience before moving on to more expensive modes. Key 4. Weigh the positives and the negatives. As you begin your business, you will uncover many hidden obstacles. Don't let this distract you from pressing forward. Make sure you are in the land of reality in both the positives and the negatives. Learn how you have succeeded thus far and what needs improving. Know what your unavoidable and avoidable problems are so you can better work around them to succeed in your business venture. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.